Hello children. Children, this is the revision video for unit 3. Okay children? So please listen to me very carefully. Now what you have to do, as you know that your exams are coming, your assessments are coming. So you have to be prepared for that, right? Children, in phonics, firstly you have to open your this book, Alga 3 and Reader book. Okay children? In which you have to open SR1. Okay children, word families. Children, we all know that we have discussed about word family. So you have to read all the word families. It word family, ek word family. I am showing you ip word family. Okay children, and the last is in word family, og word family and og word family. Okay children, you have to read all these words, right? You have to practice for these words. Okay children, and children, one more thing, in phonics we will always read with the phonic sound, right? With the letter sounds. Okay children, हम जब भी phonics में कोई word read करते हैं तो वो letter sound से read करते हैं, right? जैसे अब आप देखो ब ई न, ब ई न, बिन. ओके, बिन, इस तरह से रीड करते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, अब हम आ जाते हैं. नाउ आई टेल यू होल वर्ड्स. चिल्ड्रन, दीज आर द होल वर्ड्स, राइट? न्यू वर्ड्स. Look, also, have, same, teeth, some, leave, water, land, bird. Okay, very, has, long, fast, leaves, loves, saw, heard, years, and the last one is gave. Okay children, you have to learn all these spellings, right? And you have to make one sentences on each word, and you have to do it in your notebook. For any query you can call me. Okay children. एंड चिल्ड्रन, फोनिक्स में जो मैम ने आपको भी बताया कि आपको सारे फोनिक्स रीड करने हैं, और फोनिक्स से रिलेटेड जो हमने एक्सरसाइज की थी, लाइक मैच द वर्ड्स, राइट, कंप्लीट द वर्ड्स, सर्किल द पिक्चर्स विद द सेम वर्ड फैमिली, आपको इन सब की भी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ऑल आर इन योर बुक. यू हैव टू डू प्रैक्टिस ऑफ ऑल द वर्कशीट बेसिकली, राइट? नाउ रीडिंग एंड लिसनिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन. चिल्ड्रन, इन रीडिंग एंड लिसनिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? Firstly, we will revise the concept of character and setting. Children, on SR2, you can see, please open SR2. Children, what are characters? See, a character is a person or animal in a story. Children, story में कोई animal होता है, कोई person होता है, तो वही characters होते हैं, right? Calm down. Setting. The setting is where a story takes place. Story कहाँ की है, कहाँ किस जगह की उसमें बात हो रही है, that is the setting, right? Like road, home, garden, school can be also, right? So this is the difference between characters and setting. You have to do more practice for this. ठीक है? Now what you have to do, children, we have read many stories, maybe 3 or 4. I am telling you 3 stories we have read in this unit. First is We Are All Animals. Children, you have to read this story again and you have to shoot your video during reading. Children, आपको क्या करना है? आपको अपनी एक वीडियो शूट करनी है. आप इन तीनों में से you have 3 stories. First is We Are All Animals, second is All About Animals, and the third is Leela and the Bird, right? From this story you can take one story and you have to shoot your video while reading. Okay children, आपको रीड करते हुए अपनी अच्छी सी वीडियो बनानी है, उसमें बुक विजिबल हो, आपका फेस विजिबल हो, एकदम सही से सिटिंग होकर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो वो वीडियो आपको मुझे सेंड करनी है एल्गा के ग्रुप में. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क एंड ऑल्सो फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस, राइट? चिल्ड्रन, नाउ ओपन SR8. सी, सीक्वेंसिंग इवेंट्स. चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज सीक्वेंसिंग इवेंट्स? अब देखो जरा, इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट हैपन इन ए स्टोरी आर कॉल्ड इवेंट्स. इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स मीन्स स्टोरी में जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें होती हैं, राइट, उनको बोलते हैं इवेंट्स. ठीक है? पुटिंग द इवेंट्स इन द ऑर्डर दे हैपन इज कॉल्ड सीक्वेंसिंग ऑफ इवेंट्स. तो जब आप उन्हीं इवेंट्स को जो स्टोरी में हुआ है, जब वो आगे पीछे हो, आप उनको सही से अरेंज करते हो, दैट इज द सीक्वेंसिंग ऑफ द इवेंट्स, राइट? नाउ यू कैन सी द बॉय सीज फर्स्ट, द एनिमल सीज फर्स्ट, द बॉय हियर्स third, the animals here 4. Okay, this is the sequence. Basically you have to do more practice for this. Okay, we have done many exercises, many practice. Okay, now what you have to do, children, you have to learn all the vocabulary words also. Okay, you have to learn all the vocabulary words. There are 3 stories in your book and also the vocabulary words for that story, so please learn those words, right? Now it's time to open about grammar. Okay, children please open. I'm telling you which SR you have to open. Just a minute. C, SR3. Okay, on SR3 naming words, we have 2 things that we have discussed in grammar, right? Naming words and action words. Children, what are naming words? A naming word names a person, place, animals or thing, like your name, your father's name, your mother's name, my mother's name, है ना, मैम की मम्मा का नाम, मैम के पापा का नाम, इस तरह से होते हैं ना. तो even all the names are called naming words, we can see, right? Now the action words. Action words tell us what people, animals or things do, right? What we do, like dance, run, sit, eat, sleep, jump, burn, fly. These all are the action words, right children? So please do practice for this. काफ़ी अच्छे से आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन. In writing and speaking skills, what you have to do, children? In writing and speaking skills, आपको क्या करना है बच्चों? आपको राइटिंग एंड स्पीकिंग स्किल्स में we have done 3 stories, we have read 3 stories. Then you have to make, just a minute, I'm telling you, you have to make you have to write few sentences on any one story, right? You have 3 or 4 choices, like all about animals, Leela and the bird, we are all animals. Children, आपको क्या करना है? आपने now you can see here, this is the story, we are all animals. Okay children, you all have read this story very well, even many times. Okay, तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको इस स्टोरी से रिलेटेड आपको फ्यू लाइन्स लिखनी है अपनी नोटबुक में, ठीक है? फर्स्टली यू हैव टू नोट डाउन द टाइटल ऑफ द स्टोरी, देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट टू राइट. ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो आपको फ्यू लाइन्स लिखनी है, ओनली फ्यू लाइन्स, नॉट मोर देन फ्यू. ओके चिल्ड्रन, एंड ऑल्सो you have to do practice for upper and lower case letters from A to Z. Okay children. And children, one more thing, as we have done many practice of sentence structure, right? Like I'll show you one picture, मैम आपको एक पिक्चर दिखाएंगे, right? And for that picture or related to that picture, I'll show a sentence structure, right? Some words, उसमें कुछ वर्ड्स नहीं होंगे. Okay, I'll show you one sentence structure. Then by that picture you have to complete that sentence structure. We have done this in writing and speaking skills, right? Expression. So children, you have to do more practice for this. For practice, I'll send you one picture. Okay, you have to do practice for that, right? And please write few lines and you have to send me, right? Now what is your homework? phonics में आपको children Monday or Tuesday, on Monday or Tuesday I'll take your dictation test from phonics. Okay children, whole words में आपको sentences बनाने हैं. You have to make sentences in the whole words. For each word you have to make one sentence. In reading you have to shoot your video and send me in the group, right? And in writing you have to write few sentences on any one story. Okay, and also you have to do practice for sentence structure, right? This is your work for revision, and please do all your work by yourself, don't do bad work. Okay children, thank you so much. Please complete your work. Thanks a lot.